Hello beauties! Welcome to the studio PoleFit. Today I'm going to teach you a very nice trick called the Jamilla. Let me show you. This trick is very famous and I think you already saw it. Let me show you. Okay, so in this trick you want to grab the pole down and keep your shoulder engaged, okay? You don't want to be soft, you want to be super strong. Then I'm going to grab the pole in front of my face. Then the most critical part will be to bring these hips against the pole. Second of all, once you come here, you want to open your knee in the opposite direction. For my side, it will be on the left side, okay? So you make sure you place a part of your body height also on this leg. Then I'm going to incline my torso in order to send my legs up as high as possible. Make sure also you lock your legs with your hips, okay? Engage your legs, point your toes, and try to send your feet as high as possible. Once again, going to place the inside of my hips aside, and open your legs. Okay, you have also a variation, which will be to keep this leg bendy and this leg up straight. Let me show you. Now the way back. There's a lot of students who struggle with the way back because once they send their legs down, they really kick the floor and it sounds not elegant. So the only way to have a nice way back to the floor will be to train and train and train. But there is an order if you want to put nicely your feet on the floor. Let me show you. From this, you want to place these legs first down to the floor and these legs up on the sternum. Or like this and like this. Or you can do also the opposite. Okay? So you decide. Why? Because you might need to do another turn after your Jamilla, another trick, after your Jamilla, that will require to come either like this or either like this. You choose. A little tips, if you want to have your Jamilla in a fast way, I would suggest to keep your Jamilla as long as possible. Not something like this. Okay? But really come up, straight, keep. Okay guys, I hope you liked this tutorial. Send me your comments, tell me how it was working for you, and I will see you soon for a new tutorial. Bye bye!